Hi Year 7s, this tutorial is to demonstrate how to do long division. So again, I'm going to use the 4 questions that you should have completed in class today. So you can check your answers if you've completed them, or you can work through them as examples in order to help you with your homework. Right, so our first question is question 2 part A, and it asks us to divide 684 by 19. So I need to know how many times 19 goes into 68. 19 won't fit into 6, so I need to divide it into 68. In order to do that, it helps if you have a little list at the side of your page of the multiples of 19. So 19, counting in 19s is just like counting in 20s and taking away 1 each time. So you got 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, 114, 133, etc. And those are going to help us in our division. So 19 goes into 68. Well, if I look down my multiples list, I go 19, 38, 57. 76 is too big, so 19 fits into 68 3 times. So I put my 3 up here. Now I must figure out what the remainder is. So from my list, I can see 3 times 19 is 57. So I'm going to write that down here and subtract to find the remainder. So 68 minus 57 is 11. Now I haven't used this 4 yet, so I'm going to take this 4 down. And my number down here is 114. So now I'm going to check how many times 19 fits into 114. Again, I can go to my list over here, read down 3, 4, 5, 6 times 19 is exactly 114. So I can put 6 up here. 6 times 19 is 114. And just to double check, my remainder is 0. So the solution to my question is that 684 divided by 19 is equal to 36. So the second question asks us to divide 972 by 36. Okay, again, it helps if down the side of the page you have multiples of 36. So 36, then 72, then 108, and 144. And we can maybe stop there. Well, I'll just do 5 times 36, 180. We can pause there for a bit because our first division is only into 97. So if I check here, 36, 72, 108 is too big, so only 2 groups of 36 fit in. So 2, we know that 2 times 36 is 72. So we subtract, we get 5, 2. And we bring down this 2 that we haven't used yet. So now we have to do 252 divided by 36. Our list only goes up to 180 at the moment, so we need to keep going. Add another 36 on, you'll get a 216. Add another 36, you'll get 252. And again, it's exactly the answer we want. So if we count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 36. So I'll put my 7 up here. 7 times 36 is 252. Again, if I subtract those, I get a remainder of 0. Which means my final solution is that 972 divided by 36 equals 27. Right, so part D, we should be getting the hang of these by now. Try not to rely on this tutorial. Try and try it for yourself before you use this. So now we're dividing by 38. Got to see how many times 38 fits into 93. So over at the side, we have 38, then 76, then 114. So that's too big. So I know that it must fit only twice. So we say it goes in twice. 2 times 38 is 76, and I subtract. Can't take 6 away from 3, so I'm going to borrow. So 6 from 13 is 7. 8 take away 7 is 1. And now I need to bring the next number down. So I bring down this 0, and I've got to do 170 divided by 38. So I need to keep going with this list over here. I've got 38, 76, 114, add another 38 is 152, add another 38 is 190, and I've gone too far. So I know that I can count 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 38. Put the 4 up the top. 4 times 8 is 32, 4 times 3 is 12, and 3 is 15. And now when I need to borrow from here, so 8, 1. Now, there are no more numbers to bring down here, and so 38 doesn't fit into 18, so that becomes my final remainder. So I have got as a final answer that 930 divided by 38 equals 24, remainder 18. So the last example, we have 950 divided by 33. And so in this case, we'll need multiples of 33 down the side. So 33, 66, 99, 132, 165. And we'll check if we can stop there. So first of all, 95 divided by 33 must be only twice, because 99 is too big. So you put 2 up. 2 times 33 is 66, and we subtract. So 15 take away 6 is 9, 8 take away 6 is 2, and now I must bring down that 0. So I've got 33 into 290. 290 divided by 33. That's quite big. So I'm going to have to keep going with my multiples. After 165, it's 198. And 231, and 264, and 297. Now I've got too big at 297, so it must be 264. So if I count down, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 33 is 264. And then when I subtract, I'll get 26. Again, 33 will not fit into 26, and so this is my final remainder. And so the final answer is 950 divided by 33 equals 28, remainder 26. So hopefully you've now got the into the swing of how to do long division using this column method. And you're going to try part B, D, F, and H for homework.